starting to spring. Okay. Wrong one. Okay. I think everybody's hungry. Okay, everybody has got feed, and I'm going to catch the pony and feed the geldings, and then once they're done, I'll turn them out. But in the meantime, I'm about to go feed the pony out in the mare's pasture. Okay, I was just walking him on the fences. We're at the very top of the mare's pasture. So I'm gonna turn him loose and then walk down this fence, and maybe he'll follow me. But I'm just gonna turn him loose and kind of let him get the energy out because we've already walked the rest of that fence. You're fine. There you go. He's really interested in what's over there. Like, he's just not so sure about it. Yeah, there you go. It's a majestic looking little critter. Hopefully he'll go back down this fence and kind of get the gist of how the pasture is laid out. He's not going to have anybody this weekend, so I feel kind of bad for him. But it's going to be a whole lot better for him to stay out here than it is for him to stay in the wind, because he can get down in these hills and kind of get out of the wind. So I think he wants his feed. He can't get it out of the can, and I don't know if he's shivering or if he's just mad at the bucket, because it could be both. You want some feed? You want me to get the feed out for you? I'll get it out. I'll get it out. Here, let me get it out. Oh, there you go. I'm very proud of you for not running off at all when I did that. Yeah, that's a great job. Yeah. He says it's a little weird out here, but you'll do good. He'll be okay. I don't have a blanket to put on him, but I think he'll be okay. She's a little chunky belly. Oops, sorry. He didn't even move when I did that. Good job. Okay, we're gonna leave you, okay? You gonna have fun out here? How curly his hair gets when it's wet. He sounds kind of cute. It's got a little wave to it. Him and Newt like to leave things like destroyed, like not the way they found them. Okay, Chester is taking a little nap. Butter's done, so I'm gonna turn her out in the pasture the pony was in. Sis is done. Smarty is done too, I think mostly. So I think they're all gonna go out. They're not all gonna go out there, but I think Smarty can go back out with the calves again, and then these two mares can go out in the pony's pasture. Okay, we just have to take a moment to video the little girlfriend and boyfriend over there. Just walking off, leaving poor sister here in the dust. Poor sis is gonna want to see Butter, and Butter's just gone and hanging out with her boyfriend. They're making sis work to catch up to him. She's trotting now. Now Butter kind of realizes she's in her pasture. But Butter is just hanging out with her buddies. No. Okay, Smarty is turned out and the calves are coming up. Sis is coming to see Smarty, and Butter's still hanging out with her buddy. So everybody is turned out for the day. I'll probably clean stalls later, but for right now I'm gonna go get a snack, and then I'm gonna walk to get the wood, to get the truck to load the wood on. So okay, we're going to get the wood. I don't really know how much I need to get, but okay. Okay, so it's starting to rain a lot, but yeah, so I made this mess earlier. It was an accident. I was standing at the truck and I just watched it all fall down. So I'm trying to keep most of it from getting wet, but I'm also trying to finish loading the truck, so. Okay, we got it done. We got 2 full stacks and a half. So it has turned into a total zoo here because I got all the 4 mares up now, and all the big chickens, the laying chickens, are going to be staying in here tonight. So that's wonderful. All the horses are a little bit cold. They got wet, but I think they'll be okay. Anyways, I've got to finish with the other horses and get more hay and then feed for tonight, and then we should be good. Okay, we had to feed the geldings. I fed Newt and TJ hay and their food. They were up at the barn, the other barn we have, because they couldn't stay in their pasture. And I had this ark. In my barn, I had all 40 of the chickens, the 3 horses, a baby calf, 2 rabbits, and an invalid chicken with 7 bales of hay. And the door closed the entire time, so that was chaotic. Okay, so it sleeted Friday night. We only got a little bit at that point. And then we got a little bit more, but I was just showing you how much we got while my dad was opening the door on his truck. I had to go take care of the chicks in the little house, so I went and did that. It was a little busy. I had to change their box that day too because they were starting to get out of their box.
Whoa! Don't do that.
This is the first time that I've fed cows with Daddy in a little bit. It was the first time we also had Sleet when I fed before, so that was exciting. All the cows were coming running down the hill, and Daddy had to shovel out the sleet out of the troughs. It was so deep because it was already starting to sleet again. It actually snowed on Friday, so that was exciting. It snowed all day on Saturday. But Daddy had to clean out all the troughs, all the calves, all our little baby calves. Then we went and fed the big heifers while my dad was chasing the bull that goes in here around because he was not cooperating. But he went and chased him around and got him. Okay, it is like 10 in the morning, I think. I went and fed with Daddy first, but we have to release everything. Oh no. Welcome to Noah's Ark. So we have all the chickens. They're seeing, some of them might be seeing snow for the first time, or like sleet. So that's nice. They're all kind of not sure what to think. So many of them. Smarty. There's Sis. There's Bunny and the chicken who got knocked out of her thingy. Sis, you say hi. Oh yeah, hi. Here's other Bunny. Here's Butter. Butter, you okay? Butter, say hi. You say hi? Yeah? You say hi, Chester? Say hi. Okay, we're going to let Chester out and let him see the sleet for the first time. Come on, Chester. No, dude, you can't even. What are you doing? What are you doing, Chess? You see the chickens? No, she big boy. What are you doing, big? It's kind of cold, huh? Is it kind of cold? No, I know, so baby. You just dying. Okay, I got everything done feeding. The chickens have some feed, but they're basically just kind of nosing around trying to find some water too. Smarty has got hay and feed. She's probably ready to go out, but I'm gonna wait and see what it's gonna do today. Sis is eating and it has hay. Butter has some hay, and the chickens are just nosing around. Chester's done gone. I don't know if he'll come out tonight or not. I'm hoping that it'll snow, just because I want snow. But this is all sleet. It's like frozen ice, pretty much. But yeah, Chester's down there, but he can't get to him. TJ and Newt are at the clinic, but I think we're going to call it good for right now. I'm going to come back later today and clean stalls. Hopefully if it warms up a little bit or if I pull my coveralls out. Okay, this is the current state. The weather is, the sleet is leaving. Hopefully, I actually think it might be starting to snow. I really, really hope it snows tonight. I want it to get cold enough to snow. But yeah, the chickens really haven't left the barn at all. I think all the horses have been okay. They've kind of taken some, oh